Whether you're setting your sight on short-term goals like a dream vacation or tackling long-term aspirations like homeownership or retirement, having a strategy in place is key. This video is focused on one tool that stands out for its effectiveness: the concept of sinking funds. Sinking funds are a proactive and strategic way to set money aside for specific anticipated expenses. Unlike emergency funds, which act as a safety net for unforeseen circumstances, sinking funds are tailored to address planned future expenses. Think of them as financial life rafts, keeping your budget afloat when predictable but significant expenses come your way. To build a sinking fund, you regularly set aside a predetermined amount of money to cover a future expense. This disciplined approach allows you to break down larger financial goals into manageable monthly contributions. Whether it's a down payment on a house or a new car or a once-in-a-lifetime trip, sinking funds make these aspirations more achievable by spreading the financial load over time. Plan your dream getaway without compromising your monthly budget. Allocate a portion of your income to a vacation sinking fund and watch your travel dreams come to life. Prepare for inevitable home maintenance costs by creating a sinking fund specifically for repairs and renovations. Save for a down payment on your dream home by consistently contributing to a sinking fund dedicated to real estate goals. Supplement your retirement savings by creating sinking funds for specific retirement expenses, such as healthcare or travel. Failing to contribute regularly to your sinking fund. The solution is to treat contributions to sinking funds like any other bill. Set up automated transfers to ensure consistency. Underestimating the actual cost of your goal. The solution is to research and plan meticulously. Stay on the side of caution when estimating expenses to avoid falling short. Using sinking funds for unplanned expenses. The solution is to maintain a clear separation between sinking funds and emergency funds to avoid depleting funds intended for specific goals. Now, in our financial journey, sinking funds serve as a reliable navigation tool, steering us towards our goals with pretty good precision and foresight. By incorporating sinking funds into our financial strategy, we gain control over our budget, ensuring that both short and long-term aspirations are within reach and they come true. Now, I want to answer some common questions on this topic. What is the difference between an emergency fund and a sinking fund? An emergency fund is designed to cover unexpected expenses, providing a financial safety net. On the other hand, a sinking fund is specifically earmarked for planned expenses, helping us save for anticipated future costs. How do I determine the right amount to contribute to a sinking fund? Start by estimating the total cost of your goal and the time frame in which you want to achieve it. Divide the total amount by the number of months you have until the expense occurs. This gives you the monthly contribution needed to reach your goal. Can sinking funds be used for any type of expense? Sinking funds are typically used for planned and specific expenses such as vacations, home repairs, or a new car. It's important to avoid using sinking funds for unplanned or emergency expenses to ensure that the funds are available when needed for their intended purpose. Should I have multiple sinking funds or combine them into one? It's generally advisable to have separate sinking funds for different goals. Why? Because it's easier to track them. This helps you allocate funds more precisely and ensure that you're saving an appropriate amount for each specific expense. What happens if I can't contribute to my sinking fund one month? Well, you're going to be a little bit off track. Life is unpredictable, and occasional disruptions to your sinking fund contribution, it will happen. If you miss a month, try to make up for it in subsequent months or adjust your goal timeline. Consistency is key, but flexibility is important as well. Can sinking funds be invested for better returns? Now, while some people choose to invest their sinking funds for potentially higher returns, it comes with increased risk. Sinking funds are generally better suited for low-risk, easily accessible accounts like a savings account or a money market account to ensure that the funds are available when you actually need them. Are sinking funds only for long-term goals? Sinking funds can be used for both short-term and long-term goals. They're versatile financial tools that help us plan for a range of expenses, from upcoming vacations to major life events like homeownership or retirement. How do sinking funds contribute to overall financial stability? Sinking funds contribute to financial stability by allowing us to plan for and fund our goals without relying on credit or disrupting the budget. They provide a sense of control and reduce financial stress associated with anticipated expenses. Comment below and share what sink funds do you have going on. Don't forget to sign up for my free workshop on how to spend deliberately. I'll see you in my next video here.